wanted me to do this unboxing video more than I wanted to, because I like to savor my things I buy in boxes for like weeks, sometimes months, before I actually open them. I just got this for myself as a birthday gift for myself from Louis Vuitton, and I've been eyeing this forever since I saw Lalario style it with her amazing outfits. So here's the unboxing. This is actually my first Louis Vuitton big piece. I don't want to give it away. Ta-da! Purchased the Neo Noe myself because it carries a lot and I wanted something for travel. I love that it doesn't have the vachetta. I love that it's just black, and the strap actually can be adjustable to be long for crossbody, like that, and as a shoulder strap as it was, just like that. So I brought some things that I would normally probably put in here. There's some paperwork in here actually. My book, price stickers. Oh, I forgot to mention too that when I was looking at this, I wanted the monogram to line up just slightly. The first one I looked at, these were kind of shifted. One side was shifted up and one side shifted down, so it was almost like it didn't look very nice. And that the monogram was just shifted diagonally. And this is this side. So they don't line up perfectly, which doesn't bother me. That's the bottom. That's the back side. And so inside the bag there is a zipper compartment here. And it just kind of fits like a smaller wallet, which I brought to show you. My Chanel La Boy, which I'll keep in the zipper compartment. Just like that. And that's about, I think that fits in there. I wanted a bag that I can carry a bottle of water in because a Chanel Classic flap does not fit anything. This bag was actually designed to hold 2 bottles of wine or champagne. So I'll just show you what fits in here. So the water is just on the corner there. I have my Chanel Poofy fragrance pouch. So inside I have my Honest hand sanitizer spray, some YSL lip gloss. I actually use the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream as a hand lotion because it is so dry here. My cuticles are always splitting without it. Sephora card case that I carry all my loyalty cards in. Givenchy lipstick. And just a packet of tissues. So that is, this pouch measures about 7 by 12 centimeters. It's hard to see because it's black, but the pouch is just horizontally sitting like this inside the bag. So that fits fits in there. I have a bag organizer with some more Honest spray. My Happy Planner day timer, I like to tuck in there. And my Jo Malone Wild Bluebell fragrance that my girls got me for Mother's Day last year, or this past year. So my bag organizer fits in there perfectly. My day timer, my hand sanitizer, my Chanel pouch is in here, which is kind of hard to see, and then my water bottle. I can fit a lot more, but I always carry tons of stuff and I don't use anything. The reason I actually decided to get the Neo Noe is because I have lots of Longchamp bags that I always use for travel, and I tend to use them every day. And the corners always would just, the fibers would split, so I'm hoping this will last a lot longer than my crossbody Longchamp bags. So here are some mod shots. So that's just the bag as a shoulder bag. I'll just adjust it so you can see it as a crossbody. So that's just the bag as a crossbody bag. I like it just because this cinches nice and tight. It's not that easy to get open unless you actually uncinch it and pull it apart. And then I can just get into my things here. My wallet, easily accessible. The zipper is very, very smooth. And there it is, my first Louis Vuitton handbag. And that is my brand new LV. Thanks for watching.